Is it depression? Is it anxiety? Do I have ADHD? Am I just lazy? Am I burned out? What the fuck is wrong with me?
Louie.
Louie.
What's on your face?
Louie.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Do not do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting. Yes, very distinguished. I see.
My mom told
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour! Extreme! Parkour! Parkour!
Whoa, yo, Daisy's on the mic, gonna tear it down. Boston Terrier queen, she rules the town. Running on the beach, sticks in her sight. Dropping daily facts, she's ready to fight. Small but mighty, always bringing the heat. Every fact she shouts is a viral treat. Greyhounds fast, pyramids tall. Daisy's got the knowledge, she's shouting it all. Hit that like, smash, subscribe, don't be lazy. You're vibing with the chaos, it's Daisy, baby. Dogs to space, keeping it tight. Daily facts forever, every day, every night. Yo, Daisy's on the mic, gonna tear it down. Boston Terrier queen, she rules the town. Running on the beach, sticks in her sight. Dropping daily facts, she's ready to fight. Small but mighty, always bringing the heat. Every fact she shouts is a viral treat. Greyhounds fast, pyramids tall. Daisy's got the knowledge, she's shouting it all. Hit that like, smash, subscribe, don't be lazy. You're vibing with the chaos, it's Daisy, baby. Dogs to space, keeping it tight. Daily facts forever, every day, every night. Are you happy? Can you smile?
Daisy's running wild, tearing up the street. Tiny little paws with a thunder beat. Blue-eyed rebel with a tail on fire.